Hi, my name's Ben Beaton. I'm an artist. I create work on the ecology, geology, and deep time history of natural environments, and I work in collaboration with scientific illustrator Marley Moir. We are the field naturalist artists for the Gene Streams Sculptures, which is a public art program promoting conservation and an awareness of the deep time history of natural environments alongside an awareness of the art of the traditional owners of the land. Through the process of creating the Gene Stream Sculptures, we have developed a resource kit of many aspects of nature journaling. We call our resource kit Explore Nature Journaling. We've designed the Explore Nature Journaling resource kit to enhance people's holidays and increase the chances of turning them into return customers through connecting them to your natural environment through nature journaling exercises. At this stage, we're interested in partnering with tourism businesses that share our values and our purpose. Through this process, we're introducing people to many aspects of nature journaling. In the Explore Nature Journaling resource kit, we cover a broad cross-section of different approaches to nature journaling, including sketching, colour mixing, scientific illustration, photography, mind mapping, turning your nature journals into ebooks, activities with children to introduce them to an awareness of natural systems, collaborative drawing techniques, flower pressing, eco-dyeing, an introduction to the natural sciences, and much more. So it caters to a broad cross-section of the community. We really believe that field naturalist activities should be promoted far more than they are. It's been part of both Marley's and my means of working as artists for many, many years. And the more that we can promote nature journaling, the more that we feel we can put people in touch with these natural environments, build a sense of empathy and connection to care for these very precious environments. I've done over 40 artist residency projects all around Australia, working with ecotourism organisations, members of field naturalist clubs, conservation organisations, elders, scientists, all sorts of people who are interested in conserving our precious, precious natural environments. And renowned scientific illustrator Marley Moir is an honorary associate of the Royal Botanic Gardens, Melbourne. She was a major contributor to the Flora of Victoria and has been artist on several scientific field expeditions. Working with scientists in museums, herbariums, and botanic gardens to grow field naturalist knowledge of Australia, Marley led a 10-year group project of artists and botanists collecting and illustrating plants called Beckler's Botanical Bounty. Marley has over 20 years' experience teaching botanical and natural history art. So we'd love to partner with you in promoting field naturalist work in your region. Marley and I look forward to hearing from you and working with you into the future. Thank you.